Hi, I'm Irish Kevin, showing you that, look, if I can do it, so can you. And I'm going to show you how to replace your regular guy outlet with one of these USB outlets. This one's cool because it's got not one, not two, but 3 places to plug in your USB devices.
This unit here, don't even bother. Don't buy it. I'm using it for illustration purposes only. After I installed it, I replaced it with the next thing, and you'll see it at the end of the video. So, if you're wondering, why am I taking out a USB outlet and replacing it with another? Well, frankly, I need more USBs, that's why. Everybody wants to plug all their crap into everything. All right, yank that sucker out of the wall. Look at all that crap in there. It's a lot of crap. All right, we're going to take the wires off. Pretty easy. Take the wire, screwdriver, wires off. Okay, you need to explain what wires are going where into the back of this thing. So here's the deal. So the white ones, they're called neutral. They go on the silver. Simple as that. The black ones, the hot, go on this side with the gold screw. Hot, 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 hot. The reason why I have 2 is because this is part of a long circuit. So I have power coming in, and then it feeds the power to the next outlet. Ooh, that's right. I already said that, didn't I? So we're using this electrician style set of pliers to make a nice, hook on the wire so it hooks in there. Hook on the wire so it hooks in. All right, to explain some continuity here. All right, so I took this out of the wall to install a better one. So the 4 USB outlet only unit that I put in the wall that's in this video, don't buy that. It is garbage. It won't even charge my Fitbit, which requires the least amount of charge of anything on the planet. Do buy the top greener unit that I showed at the very beginning of the video, because it charges everything, no problem, and fast. Rolling. All right, cool. All right.
I guess I say video and it starts recording. Pretty cool. All right. Get on down, get on down.
Cool.